Hey friends, it's Jen from Gold Nutrition. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Find Your Balance Be Happy box from the Happy Planner. So if that sounds good to you, then just keep watching. All right, friends, after much debate, I broke down and I got this Be Happy box. And let me tell you why. So this Be Happy box has been out for, I think it came out around Christmas time. And so at that point, even though I was like, ooh, I really want that, I held off because I bought a Makselife planner this year for my goal setting system. And overall, I really love the system. I love the system. The planner, I'm a disc bound girl, so I'm having some difficulties using a coil planner, but I am using it. I'm using it for my goal setting. It is helping me with my goal setting. I really do like it. But I bought this, which, we'll get into it and we'll look at all the items that it came with. It is goal themed, and it's also themed with the statement, Find Your Balance. And I actually chose balance as my word of the year for 2023. I've talked in some previous videos about kind of my journey with goal setting and where I'd been at over the last couple years. What I ultimately realized was that I really needed to find a way to put some balance into my life before I tried to go gung-ho with anything else. And that's what I've continued to work on as we're marching into March now. And so I really liked the sticker book in here. I really loved the aesthetic in here. I haven't made my vision board yet for the year, and so I ended up getting this and a few other items, to make my vision board and my word of the year page. Well, the rest of why we'll kind of talk about as we look at it. So it came in this really nice box. It says dreams become goals when you plan. And I have to be honest, I've seen a lot of videos of this and stuff, and look at this. It says, make yourself proud. I am so drawn to blue this year, and I'm not normally someone who loves blue, but I've been so into blue. This says, set a goal, make a plan, work hard, stay humble. So what I was going to say is I didn't look much in here. Let me move the box. Because I kind of wanted to look with you guys, but I watched a lot of videos trying to make up my mind if I was going to buy it. So instead of ripping the sticker, I'm just going to try to slide this stuff out of the tissue. Okay, that works. So lots of goodies in here. So I think what I'm going to do is pop off camera, get the wrapping off of things, and then we'll look at things one by one. Okay, so first of all, we have a tour card. It says, you are capable of amazing things. And so the other side tells you what's in it. But I love things like that. You can either punch them and put them in your planner, or if you're using an agenda cover, you can put them in the pocket. So yeah, like this, I'll probably use this in some capacity, but I'm going to put it to the side in case I need to see what anything is. Next, we have a vinyl sticker that says, Find Your Balance. Very pretty. So I believe a vinyl sticker you can put on like a water bottle or your computer keyboard or things like that. This is really pretty though. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it. I've used stickers like this on my planner covers before too, but I might end up using it on my vision board. I'm not sure. And there definitely will be a video coming of my vision board. Next, we have some affirmation cards, some positive affirmations. I love these. These were part of why I wanted this box. They have a little plastic piece holding them together, and I kind of want to keep it on there to store them nicely, but I'll take a few loose to show you. So Love the color palette of this box too. This kind of like mustardy green is not always my jam, but yeah, I'm really liking this. Like I said, I don't know why, but I've just really been loving blue this year. Even my nails are blue. These are from Impress Manicure. I am an Impress Manicure affiliate, so there's always a link down in the description box for Impress Manicure. And I'm also a Happy Planner affiliate, so I will link this box for you or any other Happy Planner products that we talk about. I do earn a small commission if you shop those links, so I really do appreciate that, and I thank you so much when you do that. So anyway, this one says, I can do anything I set my mind to. Oops. I have the courage to start and succeed. I am ready and capable of achieving all my goals. I love these. They're so pretty. What's the other side? The other side, oh, it just has this like arch. All right, so that's the affirmation cards. So happy about those. Okay, so this is an interesting concept. This they are calling their goal tracker memo pad. So it came inside this pocket envelope, which is really cool. And I think you could probably, if you wanted to, punch it and use it in your planner because it's not particularly thick. Now, I would not probably recommend punching it with your Happy Planner punch if you have one. That one doesn't tend to do great with really thick stuff. Not that this is super thick. And it says purpose fuels passion. And then what this is, you have it's a pad with these monthly goal trackers on them. So it says goal tracker, log progress on your monthly goals using stickers. Utilize this tracker as an extra tool to help you achieve your big picture goal. And then it comes with sheets of stickers, and they're just little cute icons. You know, some of them say things like nice work, get in there, keep going, find your balance. Some of them are check marks or these little designs. So I think they might all be the same. Yeah, they're all the same. But what I think I'm going to do is actually use these on the goal pages in my Makselife for when I achieve the goals that I set, that I'll give myself a little sticker. I think I'm going to use them, just not on here. But the pad is cute too. And certainly, I don't know, like there's not a lot of room on the edge, so you probably could try punching them, but it might cut into the days a little bit, most likely. I don't know. Why don't we try it? Okay. I grabbed my Happy Planner punch. Taking one sheet off. Oh, not too bad, actually. So it depends on how finicky you are. You know, it did go into the G on Goal Tracker, although I could have probably scooched it down a little and then it wouldn't have done that. And it goes just ever so slightly into the boxes. Probably not a big deal. So if you wanted to punch them and put them in your planner, you probably could. Next up, we have a pen loop. So this style of pen loop is the kind that wraps around your planner. And it's really soft. I'll be honest, I don't always love these. Like sometimes I just get annoyed by having to take it off and put it on, take it off and put it on. However, I think I will end up using it, or at least giving it another whirl. I only have one other. So the next item in here is actually a goal setting journal, I believe. So I'll show you the journal and then we'll also try throwing this on there. So this is what made me want this box so bad. I love the cover on this journal. This is a classic guided journal. I will tell you that the gold journals that came out somewhat recently, and I don't know, they may have had the same style in the past, but the one with the lavender cover that says goals on it that you can find in Joann, I believe it's the same layout in here, just a different aesthetic to it. But I loved the way this one looked. And I even loved these bright blue discs, but frankly, I'm really not a plastic discs girl. I'll probably end up changing them. So it says the future begins now. It has gold foiling. We can move this out of the way, but it just is telling you it's a goals layout. Love the blue interior. And then we have in these style notebooks and journals, you get a true divider instead of a monthly spread on there, and I really appreciate that. So this one says, set a goal, make a plan, work hard, stay humble. So pretty. I love it. And this was the page that I really, really wanted, because in my Makselife, I feel like I don't have the room that I really want to do like the breakdown of the big goal into the smaller goal. There are some blank note pages and things, and I did do a little of that style of brainstorming, but I wanted something like this. So I really like this because you could put like your big long-term goal, then maybe like you could either put monthly goals, or these are the monthly goals, and then your action steps, which often are maybe your weekly goals. So I like that, being able to break it down that way. So I really like this page, and what I'm going to do is use the cover and some of the pages from this for my Sunday planner that I had set up recently. I'll link that video if you want to know what that's all about. But I do have a goal setting section in there that I was kind of trying to use as like a supplement to my Makselife. So I'm definitely going to use this. Let's see what else it's like though. Oop, we've got monthly habit trackers and a little notes section. I'll have to be honest, I'm not the best with habit trackers. I try to use them. I always put them in my planner. Sometimes I use them and sometimes I don't. But that's cool, that's there. This week's goal, write a positive quote to follow this week, important due dates this week, list 3 things that can help you achieve your goals, list 3 things that inspire you. Yeah, these are nice. I like this. And they're undated, so you can use them when you want to use them and not use them when you don't want to use them. What is your main goal for today? Ways to help you achieve this goal. Write 3 positive daily reminders to yourself. 1 thing that made you feel hopeful today. List 3 wins from today. So, I like that they're giving you monthly, weekly, daily. I don't know how often I'll use daily goal setting pages, but I might, or just, it is like a journal. So maybe just at times when I feel like doing it, I'll do it. I'm kind of at a place where things can't be making more work. It needs to be helping me, not making me stressed out. Basically, as you flip through here, you get these monthly goal check-ins. So they kind of keep reminding you of your goal for the month. And then you're going back into your week's goals and then your daily goal journaling pages. So that seems to repeat. And I love the aesthetic of these pages. And then, let's see, we end with a monthly goal check-in and some nice dot grid that says find your balance. That is so pretty. And then that's it. And then you have dot grid on that side. And then we get to our next divider. So some things are worth fighting for. And then it kind of starts all over. So each section is the same. Purpose fuels passion. And make yourself proud. Yeah, I'm excited about this, you guys. So let's look at the pen holder. And there's some other things to look at too. Oops. Okay, there we go. So it just kind of slides on like that. And do I have a pen close by? You would think so. Probably not the best match, but it's what I have close by. So it goes like that. So that's cool. We could also see what the punched thing looks like here. Thing. Hey, you know what I mean. This monthly goal tracker. Oh yeah. I punched it kind of wonky because it's sitting too low. So yeah, so if you pushed the punch up a little, more so that it wasn't hanging down, you wouldn't be cutting into the G. So you absolutely could do that. You absolutely could do that. The other thing that came in this box were these, which you can punch or are punched and can go in here. And this is what they're calling your vision boards. But these aren't what I'm going to make my vision boards on. I like to create my own. But let's check this out because it doesn't mean I won't use this. So it says find your balance. Ooh, that's so pretty. And then, oh, cool. So we have this cool dashboard. So it says goals, set your goals, your big picture. Where do you envision yourself in 1 month, 6 months, 1 year? No matter your timeline, uncovering your big picture will allow you to see the path ahead. This vision board is more of one in words. I do think it's pretty cool though. So you have this page. It's kind of like guiding you on how to determine what your kind of big picture type goals are. Then we have some self-care ideas here, and we have a grid to help you brainstorm how you're going to care for yourself while you're working towards your goals. So how are you going to take care of yourself on a mental level, emotional, spiritual, social, and physical level? So I do think that's really important, and I like that that's included there. So, you know, how I'll use this or if I'll use this, I'm not sure. I probably will use it at least in part. I do really like this, so I might use that. So that's really cool. So that is the vision board. And then on this side, it says inspiration and motivation are key to achieving your goals. What helps keep you inspired and motivated? How can you keep that motivation flowing throughout your journey? So interesting questions. Very cool. So the last item in the box is the sticker book. So let's check it out. And lastly, we have this sticker book. As far as I know, this sticker book was exclusive to the box. It's called Find Your Balance. I'm in love with the aesthetic of it. So I'm just going to quickly flip through it for you, but I am thinking that I'm going to be using this sticker book for my wellness vision board with some other things, I'm sure. And I bought a couple sticker books from Live Love Posh that I probably will incorporate to that as well, and will definitely go in my vision board. I'll be sharing those sticker books in a future video. I'm just going to quickly flip through the rest of this for you. All right, guys, that was the Find Your Balance, Be Happy box from the Happy Planner. Let me know what you think. I'm very happy with the purchase. Not regretting it, excited to jump into it. So you can watch for future videos where I will certainly be sharing how I plan on incorporating these things into my goal planning and my regular planning as well. Let me know in the comments below. Did you get this box? Does it interest you? Do you like things like this? And also, I'd love to hear what you'd like to see more of from me. So please put that down in the comments below too. I am definitely going to be incorporating more nutrition and healthy lifestyle focused videos in this year. So let me know what interests you around that as well. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with anyone that you think would enjoy it. And I thank you so much whenever you do that. And that is going to do it for this one, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.